shape I'm trying to get. I'm going to come up here, through here a little too. Just because this brows, it tends to be a little lower. This one seems to be a little thinner on this side. Isn't it weird how your brows are nothing, or mine aren't alike at all? Comment below if your brows are identical or if they're very different. And I don't just mean their height, their shape, but even their depth of hairs. But this one always I have to work to come up and then come down. This one I have to fill in the front a little because it's too low. It doesn't add up to the other one. And of course both of them always need a little back hair when you get older. I feel like that's okay. And because that one I have to go up, I have to bring this one down, but kind of rounding out the bottom over here. And I like to use powder. You can use, wax products, like a crayon. But I feel like that does kind of take the hair away a little bit. Oh my gosh, there's another fun palette. Do y'all remember this one? That was a limited edition one. And I really liked the colors. But the main thing, y'all know what I liked. That it was a doggy, because I love doggies. Yeah, these are really good colors. But the thing I don't like promoting limited editions is because if you just fall in love with these colors, you can't ever get them again. And can I say cute outer piece? Cute outer piece. Oh my gosh, I got so many concealers in here. I didn't even realize it. I've got Tarte Shape Tape, which everybody loves, but to me it's too thick. Urban Decay Naked Skin Color Correcting Fluid. You know what? I ought to do a comparison tomorrow. You'll want that? Would you like to see the comparison of these two? And then also we'll just kind of see how this wears. Yeah, that's what we'll do. That is what we will do. And so now I need to put on some liner. This has quickly turned into a get ready with me. And not just using the what is it? Makiage? Makiage, New York. This liner that I'm using, the crayon liner for the inner waterline, is the It Cosmetics No Tub Waterproof Gel Liner. And I am going to tight line with it as well. Tight lining just means you go to the upper waterline. It's not as awful as it looks like. Once you get it right on the lash, just kind of push on the lash line. Back and forth. It won't go in your eye. Just push on the lashes. And after a while you get used to it. I guess the first time I did it, I didn't get the feel of it. But once you get the feel of kind of pushing against the lash, you stay away from the eyeball. Promise. So what else do I need? You know what? Instead of, I do need to blend a little bit. Let's blendy blend, blendy blend. Make sure I got one that doesn't have anything on it before you blend. Or else you might be blending another horrible color like purple in the middle of your champagne color. And by blending, what I mean is I just kind of go over right there just a little, and then I blend the edges. Blend this edge right there on the nose bone, kind of blending those colors a little. You don't want to over blend your transition and your crease color together. Now you can blend them as you put them on better, like blend them back out to where you almost don't see them. That's why some people have flawless looking makeup. I'm not that person. I blend at the end because it does take time to blend, and to me that's enough. You know what I'm going to do? Since I'm not really going to use an eyelash curler right now, I'm going to use my Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. It is not waterproof, and therefore it's a good one to use when you're not going to use your eyelash curler anyway. I see here again. I was going to say, I think I just have a lash come out or a fuzz or something. fuzz. Glad I got it. Alright, so I always tip out the ends like that first, and then I come back and start at the root. And you can wiggle a little, and it just gets on either side of the lash real good. But when I tip the ends, I get really good on either side of the lash anyway. So, and again, wiggle. I definitely always wiggle on the lower lash. And if you squint, it will cause your lashes to come up. Now, what I like about this mascara is it's very